In this demo, I'm going to highlight a couple of the great ways that VitalSigns monitors on-premise IBM Domino servers. I'm starting in the dashboard here. Everything in the dashboard is clickable. I'm going to click on the word Domino. That will take me to a list of Domino servers, which are color-coded according to their status. Let me click on Dom1. You'll see that when you click on a server, it brings up a detail page about that server. I can see the last 24 hours of response time, the number of users that were on the server. Same thing with the CPU, current disk space, memory usage, and up percent. The next tab over is the health assessment. And this shows you every test that was performed against the Domino server and whether it passed or failed, and some details about why it failed, when the test was run. And you can see that this particular server failed more than one test, because just like people, servers can have more than one issue. Because it's a traveler server, there's also a traveler health tab. Domino servers that are not traveler servers will not have this tab, obviously. Shows you the last 24 hours of device syncs, HTTP sessions, memory usage, and so forth. Also, you can see the current status of pending, dead, and held mail, and the volume of mail that's been delivered over the last 24 hours. A lot of Domino servers are still, after all, primarily used as mail servers. And let me skip over the rest here and go over to some of our key metrics. One of the key metrics is mail statistics. Here you see a list of all the different mail files that are across all your servers and what mail templates are in use. And that's all filterable and sortable. You also see the top 20 largest mail files, and if your company uses mail quotas, you can see which mail files are coming closest to the quota. And then this grid in the middle here, the statistics grid, will show you across all your different Domino servers some statistics about the total mail routed and delivered and failed, and average delivery time, and number of SMT messages also. Okay, this will automatically list out all the servers that host mail, show you the number of messages routed and delivered and transferred, so forth, for a given month. And you can pick any month you want and filter that, and you can export that grid out to Excel so that you can do further analysis on it if you need to. Okay, moving right along, we also have information about mail delivery, so you can see across all your servers the amount of pending, dead, and held mail. We also have health pages, so there's a Domino health page, a same-time health page, a dedicated traveler health page. Lots of good stuff in here. We also have no shortage of reports, specifically around Domino usage and statistics and metrics. And finally, if you go over to the configurator, there's also a number of other cool things we can do with Domino. For instance, you can track any custom statistic that Domino maintains. You can do log file scanning. You can check the health of cluster replicator by picking any two servers and making sure that all those servers have databases in common and they're replicating. We do notes mail probes, notes databases, you name it. In the world of Domino, VitalSigns has got it.